Powerful yard cleanup becomes effortless when you choose the right outdoor tool designed for speed, control, and efficiency. Best cordless leaf blower delivers lightweight performance, strong airflow, and reliable battery life for quick garden cleanup without noise or fuel hassle issues. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DEWALT 20V Cordless Leaf Blower. The DEWALT 20V Cordless Leaf Blower is a compact and practical tool designed for users who need reliable airflow for light-duty cleanup tasks. With a maximum airflow of 100 CFM, this blower is well suited for clearing dust, debris, and loose materials from workspaces, garages, and outdoor areas. It is especially useful for contractors and DIY enthusiasts who need a portable blower for cleaning joints, removing debris from overhead surfaces, or maintaining a tidy work area. The included 3 nozzle attachments add versatility, allowing users to direct airflow precisely where it is needed. A trigger lock-on function helps reduce hand fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Its lightweight and compact design makes it comfortable to use in tight or restricted spaces where larger blowers may be difficult to maneuver. Overall, the DEWALT 20V Cordless Leaf Blower is a dependable option for light cleanup jobs, offering convenience, portability, and user-friendly operation in a durable cordless package. Number 2. YOOVL 650 CFM Cordless Leaf Blower. The YOOVL 650 CFM Cordless Leaf Blower delivers impressive performance for homeowners seeking a versatile tool for year-round yard maintenance. Capable of handling leaves, dust, grass clippings, and even light snow, this blower offers strong cleaning power across a variety of outdoor surfaces. Its advanced motor and turbo technology generate airflow up to 650 CFM, making quick work of debris on lawns, sidewalks, driveways, and garages. The 3 adjustable speed modes allow users to tailor performance to different tasks, from delicate cleanup around flower beds to clearing heavy piles of wet leaves. Comfort is another area where this blower performs well. Its lightweight construction and adjustable shoulder strap help distribute weight evenly, reducing strain during extended use. The balanced design and intuitive controls also make one-handed operation easy and comfortable. For users seeking a combination of power, long battery life, and ergonomic design, the YOOVL 650 CFM Cordless Leaf Blower stands out as a capable and practical yard maintenance solution.
Number 3. EGO Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower. The EGO Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower is a high-performance outdoor tool designed to tackle demanding yard cleanup tasks with ease. Delivering up to 615 CFM and air speeds reaching 170 miles per hour in turbo mode, this blower provides the power needed to clear wet leaves, grass clippings, and stubborn debris efficiently. Its strong airflow makes it suitable for both routine maintenance and larger seasonal cleanup projects. The included 2.5 battery offers up to 75 minutes of average runtime, providing ample operating time for most residential properties. This flexibility helps conserve battery life while maintaining effective performance. The high-efficiency brushless motor contributes to quieter operation, reduced vibration, and increased durability, ensuring long-term reliability. Compatibility with the entire EGO 56V battery system adds extra convenience for users who already own EGO tools. Combining strong airflow, extended runtime, and excellent control, the EGO Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower is a dependable choice for homeowners seeking professional-level cordless performance. Number 4. Greenworks 40V Cordless Leaf Blower. The Greenworks 40V Cordless Leaf Blower is a lightweight and user-friendly solution for homeowners looking to simplify routine outdoor cleanup. Designed for patios, decks, porches, driveways, and garage floors, this cordless sweeper efficiently clears leaves, dirt, and light snow without the hassle of extension cords. With a wind speed of 150 miles per hour and airflow reaching 135 CFM, it provides enough power for everyday maintenance tasks while remaining easy to control. Comfort is a major advantage of this model. Its ergonomic comfort grip reduces hand strain and improves handling during longer cleaning sessions. The lightweight design further enhances maneuverability, allowing users to work efficiently without excessive fatigue. For homeowners seeking a simple, dependable, and easy-to-use cordless blower for regular yard and property maintenance, the Greenworks 40V cordless leaf blower offers a balanced combination of convenience, comfort, and reliable performance.
Number 5. CEEPUY Brushless Cordless Leaf Blower. The CEEPUY Brushless Cordless Leaf Blower is built for users who need powerful airflow and extended runtime for demanding outdoor cleanup tasks. Equipped with a 1200-watt brushless motor, this blower delivers strong and consistent performance while maintaining lower operating temperatures and improved durability compared to traditional brushed motors. Its advanced axial fan technology generates an impressive airflow of up to 735 CFM and wind speeds reaching 200 mph, making it highly effective for clearing large amounts of leaves, grass clippings, and other yard debris. The 6 adjustable speed settings provide excellent flexibility, allowing users to choose the right level of power for different cleanup jobs. Battery performance is another standout feature. The package includes 2 6.0 AH batteries and a fast charger, providing up to 180 minutes of runtime at lower speeds and reducing downtime between tasks. Combining powerful airflow, long battery life, and versatile speed control, the CEEPUY Brushless Cordless Leaf Blower is a strong option for year-round yard maintenance. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.